Today's video is going to be about safe pregnancy skincare, body care and makeup. So I'm going to start the video right away with body care because I can actually be really short on that. There are so many different types of pregnancy oils and products out there that you can use to avoid stretch marks, for example, especially on your belly. I have kept it really simple during my pregnancy and I'm in my third trimester right now, and what I literally have been using is just organic olive oil. Here is olive oil that I have from a French company called Zone, and then I also have their shea butter, which is again 500 milliliters of product. I have been using these two products on my belly and on my body as well my whole entire pregnancy, and up until now I have not had any stretch marks. I can show you guys my belly so you see what it looks like, but this is the belly, and as you can see it is completely stretch mark. Mostly in the mornings I would use, for example, the olive oil, which is again, like I mentioned, organic, and it cost only €5 for 250 milliliters. This is a French company that I really like, and they also ship worldwide. So if you're from America, they ship freely above $100, and same goes for Canada as well. I really like them, and this is like the combination that I have been using because I didn't want to use like all these pregnancy body oils or body butters. They're probably safe as well, but it is all these different types of oils that are mixed, and with this it's just a simple product, like that's it. It's organic. This one is not. I would also say go for organic as much as possible. For example, here I have coconut oil. I have been using this recently, maybe like only in the evenings. I mostly have been using this coconut oil, which is from Bali, handmade as well. So just make sure that you're using really clear, simple, pure formulations on your body, and that's literally it for body care. You can buy like all these fancy different types of pregnancy body oils, but most of the times they're overpriced, and it's just a simple organic olive oil can do so much good for your skin, and especially olive oil and shea butter. Just go for simple ingredients because again, like you know, everything you put on your body gets absorbed into your skin, and now you're carrying a baby, so it's better to be safe than sorry and have less ingredients instead of too much ingredients in all these mixes that have all these added chemicals to make sure that the oils stay mixed really well. So in general, when it comes to using pregnancy safe skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, there is this website called 15 Minute Beauty. I would really suggest just go to the website, search up your product and see if it is pregnancy safe or not. There's this lady and she is like reviewing all of the products, and it's really great. It's like a really great database for if you're pregnant and you just want to make sure if your product is safe or not. And if your product is not already like on the website, you can ask it in the comments, and mostly like 1 or 2 days later she will reply to your comment saying if your product is safe for pregnancy and lactation, or not pregnancy and lactation safe at all. You just have to be really careful with whatever you're using on your body because now you're also carrying a baby. So I'm quickly going to talk about makeup before I start with the whole skincare part. These are the only 2 brands that I have found that are actually, I would say, considered pregnancy safe. PHB Ethical Beauty BB Cream, and here I have the puroBIO Sublime BB Cream. This is a little bit more lightweight coverage. This is a little bit better coverage, so I mostly tend to use this one. And then again, I also don't use makeup during my pregnancy just because I don't want to use too many different chemicals on my face, and then I only use this in the weekends if we, for example, have a party. And then in terms of eyeliner and mascara, there is this brand called Benecos. I have been only using their eyeliner, but depending on where you're from, I would really say look for products that just are safe, clean ingredients, don't have fragrance, like any type of fragrance that you see in your skincare, body care, whatever, any type of fragrance please stay away from it because fragrance can hide 3,000 other chemicals. The product can have fragrance, but it can be like maybe 3,000 other things that they don't have to list, so they just put it under fragrance, and mostly under fragrance, behind the fragrance ingredient are the nasty ingredients. So therefore, especially if you're pregnant, I would say just avoid fragrance in any product. Also your hair care, avoid fragrance. And there's already so many different types of hormone disrupting chemicals already, like in the air that we're breathing, like literally everywhere. So continuing with Benecos, I have been using their eyeliner. I also have their mascara. Their mascara, I'm not the biggest fan. I think it's a little dry. And then I'm also using the mascara from Aromazone, the French company, which is also with castor oil, which is something that I really like. Again, castor oil, they do say be careful, for example, with castor oil during pregnancy. Don't use it on your body, but again, this is a mascara, so therefore, and I use it maybe once or twice a week, I don't mind it because it's not like I'm putting castor oil on my body. In terms of lip care, I'm also keeping it super simple. In my case, I'm just using these two organic handmade lip products, lip balms from Nadi's Herbal, which is again from Bali. And also in terms of lip color, I actually found two products that did fit my criteria, and the first one from BB. I will just put the name on the screen, and this one from Etude House. I think there was one ingredient with this one that I wasn't like really sure, but it was, other than that, really clean ingredients because it is a cherry lip tint. And I will link some products over here that are safe for your lips in terms of green skincare. And then there were also some skincare products for my lips that I already had, and I made a list of the names and then the ingredients that they have and the ingredients that I need to look out for. Another thing I also wanted to add quickly to staying away from fragrance is also whenever you're pregnant, and this is going to be really hard, stay away from aluminum. Especially in makeup, aluminum is almost literally in everything. In these two products not, but makeup, aluminum hydroxide, aluminum phosphate or whatever, there's so much aluminum in makeup. Just be aware and don't use any makeup with aluminum. I know it's going to be really hard, so just look at the ingredients and use the website 15 Minute Beauty. She says aluminum is fine. If you really want to be on the clean side, just take a little bit of extra effort and just use products without aluminum. And as well as skincare, there are so many products in skincare that have aluminum in them. Aluminum and fragrance, just stay away from it, okay? Now I'm going to start with my skincare because otherwise this video is going to be